Hello, how are you? Why is it that every time you are shouting in your family, I am the breadwinner, I am the breadwinner? Your mates are winning Champions League. Your mates are winning European Cup. Your mates are even they are playing now European Nations Cup. Others are winning gold. You are winning bread. Your family breadwinner. How much is bread? Try and have sense. Come on, get out.